Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you how can you create the quiz on YouTube with timer. Yes. So you will make the quiz and you will see that there is the timer after one question and you can give them the time, and after the time finish it will show you the answer and it will go to the next question, and again the timer will start. So let's start. So the first thing you have to open the website www.canva.com, and you can log in this with any of the Gmail address or any of the email address what you have. Then you will click on create a design. From here you will choose video, and once you click on video, so you will see on the left hand side different design. This is our screen, the Canva screen. And now the first I want to make intro, and after that the quiz will start. So I can search here intro, and so you can see there are too many intros here, and you can choose one of them. So suppose I choose this one, so this will be the intro. Okay, now so I will add the page. From here I will click on this plus sign and the page has been added. And now the first question. So what will we do? We will come here on text, and we will give the subtitle. Suppose I take this, and now I have to write the question. So the question I copied. What is the computer virus? I remove this. Okay, this is our first question. You can align this from here, alignment, where you want to fit this. Suppose here. Now I have to give the option, so I will go again in text, add a subheading, and I do the size less for this because our heading is with bigger size. So here I hold the all button and I drag, so it will be duplicate. Okay, so I give four options or three options. Okay, so now we made duplicate, or you can use Control D, so it will be duplicate. Okay, now you can see I give three answers here. Okay, this is the options. Now the user will choose the correct answer. I make little bit down so it will be good space. You can write here, suppose I write here A, here I write B, and here I write C. Okay, so these are our three answers. Okay, so these are our four answers and this is our question. Okay, now for duplicate of this page, you will go here. So you will find this three dots, click and duplicate page. So now this the same page has been created. Like this you can make other duplicate pages. Also you can use Control D. You can see here, this is Control D here. So I make three duplicate pages for now, and now I come on the first page. Now I will use the animation. So first I use the animation for the question. So I select this question and I go there in animation. You can choose any of the animation, which one you would think. Suppose I choose this one. Animate only on enter, not exit or not both, just when we enter this question. Now choose one by one the answer, and choose different animation and click on enter like this. B on enter, number 3 on enter, and number 4 also on enter. So now I will come on the second slide, and here I will put the timer. I already download a timer file, so I will click on upload. I will go to video, so I will click on upload file, and I will go to download, and I will select this timer. I will share this timer file in the comments in the video down. So now I have this timer. Okay, so I will provide the link for this file. Okay, so you will click on this and you can set the position for this timer here. I minimize this and I put here. So now I will go on third slide, and here we will give the answer, which is the correct answer. So suppose this one, I think this, yes, this is the correct answer. So what will I do? I will change the color for this. I make it red. I give the animation. You can choose the animation. Okay, I choose this one. Now let's check this from here. We start from the beginning. You can choose the timing if you want to give the here. This should be like number 1. So what will we do? We again we make the color change into black, because here it will not give the answer. And this is will be finish. Now once the timer will finish, this is the correct answer. So it works. Okay, so now I am going to tell you how can you record your voice, or how can you read the question, and in the third video how can you give the answer. So for this you have to search voice recorder in your computer. This is voice recorder, and now I am going to record the video, the audio, or while editing you can add audio like in Filmora or whatever software you are using for editing. So you can also record the audio there on that time. So okay, I didn't have this recorder updated, so now it's updating. So now I am going to record question 1, 2, 3. So what is computer virus? A. Malicious software. B. Computer game. C. Computer part. And D. None of above. So now I record the answer. I click on it. And the correct answer is malicious software. The answer is, I give the name also for this answer. Okay. If you don't know where is the folder is, you can right click and show in the folder. So it will show the folder where it is. So you can see in document sound recording, there are the recordings, question and answer. We need these two. So now we will come back on our file and I will click on upload file. I will go to the document and I will click on sound recording and I will answer and question. I will upload these two files here. So this file has been uploaded. So now I will come in the question and I will bring this question here. I can increase the question width. Okay, let's check, is it working good or no. What is computer virus? A, malicious software. B, computer game. Okay, so it's working. The second, the answer, because we have answer here in the third one, so I will come here and I will bring this here. So we check also, and the correct answer is malicious. So we can make it big, this. So let's check again, malicious software. It's working. So I will suggest you use a good microphone or good headphone for recording the question and answer, so your output will be good. Now like this you can repeat the same process. First come to the first page, select all, Control C or copy, and then add the new page, come here and paste. So you can change the question here. Now suppose I have the question, the physical component are called dash. So the first answer I can change here, suppose software, hardware, CPU, and none of. So you can see now this is our new question and new answer. Now duplicate again 3 times and one more, the same process. Add timer on the second page. Where is the timer? This is the timer. So you can make it small like before. And on the third one, just give the same effect. Which one is the correct answer? Suppose this one. And we give the animation on this. You can give the effect or you can give the same animation. Suppose this one, you can give the rice. Okay, it's on enter. I think this one, and do the same steps what you did last time. So I hope you understand this process, and you can add the audio also. Where did you add it before? So guys, do this and give me the comments how was the video, and don't worry, this video will be monetized, or this video you will not get any threat or any strike, because this is your own struggle. So till the next video, take care, bye.